Boy. No, I'm not Pinoy. I'm a real man. Wow. But why did you know the word baliw? You know what's the meaning of the word baliw? Meaning, baliw ako sa'yo. Good. Smooth talking. Ganon. Apollo, let's do it. Let's do it, Apollo. Do you will marry me, Apollo. You will marry me. I just know a few words that I learned from the shots here. Ah, okay. That's good. That's good. Ano, so that means you're a fast learner. So someday, if you go here in the Philippines, you already know some of the words, the bad words like that. 143, hello, sabi naman sa'yo, 143. Can you please talk to me? Apollo, do you have a plan to go here someday? Here in the Philippines. Like, hi Sky 69. Baliw na baliw ako sa iyo. Smooth ha, napaka-smooth na mga na mga padali mo. 143. Yes, why? Kamusta ka? 143. You know naman na you're my guardian angel. So I want to talk to you. I want to know how's your day? Apollo? Apollo, you know the word pogi? You're like that. You're so pogi. Di talaga pag dumadaan yan, biglang magsusunod-sunod na yan sila. I was 4 times there. Maybe you will make me came for the 5th time. Yeah! How I wish. Where? Where? Where in the Philippines you specifically went? My brain. It's loading. No good. I'm met by rain. Why? 143, why? Maraming salamat aking Reyna. Walang anumang aking Reyno. Reyno. Hi, Baby Mir. 143, why did you, bring the umbrella next time? Diba, aking Reyno? Sana all super maganda talaga. You're super pogi din naman. I'm not maganda, I'm just an average person. A medium one, but a small size. My height? I'm flat 5, like this. Siguro you're a 7-footer, so we're like this. This is me and this is you. Yeah, I'm so liit. I'm so small in person, as in. Sorry. Sorry, my baby. I'll follow you back. Yan. Followed back. Done. You make my heart, You make my heart boogs, 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 boogs. You know that, Apollo. You make my heart boogs, 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 boogs. Oh, I thought it's rain. Someone pee from rooftop. Annoying. It's so dirty. Oh my god. That's the one thing that can ruin your whole year. Stop boodling me. No, I'm not boodling you. I'm just telling the truth. You're so naughty. I'm boodling you. Guys! More to reach 60K. Para makapag for me to able to screenshot like this. DPWH, Department of Public Works and Highways. So, sana all bolera. Bakit marami kang alam na you know a lot of Tagalog words. But I'm not a bolera. I'm just a madaldal. Bolera and madaldal are just same thing, I guess. Same thing. Apollo, you make my night. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, arigatou gozaimasu. You make me happy like this. You know what? I think you're the one who will make my bin 60K. Wow! Thank you very much, Apollo. You're so thoughtful. Hi, Ali. Shall we alitap? Thank you very much, Apollo.